Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Sri Gaurabhaktavrindam Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare सर्वधर्म निपातनो नित्यलीला कृष्ण विष्णुपाद अद्भुत श्री रामकृष्ण महाराज एवं नित्यलीला प्रविष्ट विष्णुपाद अद्भुत श्री रामकृष्ण नारायण कृष्ण महाराज की अभय चरण कमल में अनंत कोटि दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूं। तत्पश्चात नित्यलीला प्रविष्ट विष्णुपाद अद्भुत श्री रामकृष्ण स्वामी महाराज एवं परम पूज्यपाद माधव महाराज ऋषि महाराज और प्रति संत वैष्णव विद्रविंद मातृविंद गोत्र सज्जनविंद वैकटा उपास सत्यविंद सभी के चरण कमलों में मेरा
We was reciting chapter 10, Srimad Bhagavatam, chapter 10, about Brahminis, the wives of the Brahmins. The Brahmanis, they heard about Krishna. When Krishna and Balaram were doing cowherding, and he reached Ashoka. And when they heard about that katha, these Brahminis, they prepared so many items for the yagna and to offer for the offering. They took all that samagri, all the paraphernalia and all the ingredients and all the dishes that cooked. They took that with them to Krishna and Balaram. Hare Krishna, here back. These lights this katha, we have been reciting this katha, that beautiful, the roop the Krishna is, which is so beautiful. And then so when the ladies came to have darshan of Krishna, Krishna welcomed them. Shri Bhagwan is said, you are very fortunate. That's why what is the reason that you have come here? You tell me. And how can I help you? What seva I can do for you? Because for you to have darshan is very subha, that means very auspicious, very fortunate for you. See, Bhagwan also said, he himself is saying that even the big devatas, even they are so eager, doing so much dhyan, meditation, but still
आत्मा के जो प्रिय के बारे में नहीं जानते।
is why in this material world they don't know what is priya, means what is very dear to the Atma. Shreya and Priya. So there is Shreya and Priya. With the mode of ignorance, we get attached to Priya, which is temporary, which is here today and which is not there. But that's what we get attached to, like mother, father, husband's wife, and we have this love and affection for them. And then what happens? Then they leave us. Whoever we have this relationship, love and affection with them, eventually they also leave us. And what is Shreya Vastu? Shreya is Nitya, eternal. Who Atma? The relationship the Atma has with Bhagwan, that is Nitya. That is known as Shreya. That is very superior, topmost. But Bhagwan is very near to us as Paramatma. We don't realize he's with us all the time as Paramatma, but we have no realization of that. It's just like the body that we are living, the soul that we are. Just like wherever there is Atma, there is Paramatma. The Paramatma and Atma stay together. They are always living together. But because we are so absorbed in Maya, we cannot have darshan of Paramatma in our Atma. Like there is a tree. It's like a tree. There is two branches. There is two birds. One is Paramatma and one is on the other branch is the Jiva Atma. Jiva Atma, Paramatma. And between the Paramatma bird and the Atma bird, there is a curtain. And that is called Maya. Paramatma bird can see, but the Jiva Atma cannot see Paramatma. Then the Jivatma, when he comes in this material world, they do good and bad karmas. And they keep on suffering. And the Paramatma Rupi, Paramatma Pakshi, the bird, is just watching, is witnessing everything. And then when Jeev looks on the other side of that and looks on the Bhagwan side, and then Bhagwan accepts that Atma. He takes that Atma. It's like Bhagwan is saying in the slokas, I'm very happy. Dharma, dharma. You have left all that, It's kalyan for a jiva to leave all this earth, Kam and Artha, and take the shelter of Bhagwan. Kam, Moksha, Earth. That is called Chaturvarg. Means when you leave all this Chaturmarg and take the shelter of Bhagwan. Until the jiva doesn't take the shelter of bhakti, then there will be no deliverance of a jiva. It's not coming. This is not coming. How? When the Atma will be happy?
जब हम परम पुरुष भगवान के साथ संबंध के साथ उनकी सेवा करते हैं, इसलिए सभी परो धर्म श्रेष्ठ धर्म क्या है? सभी परो धर्म जब
Hindi.
परो धर्म
No, this is English.
भगवान विष्णु में जब हम भक्ति करते हैं तब माया अपने आप पीछे हट जाती है। भगवान गुरु भगवान की सेवा करते करते
When Bhagwan is doing seva, by serving Bhagwan, the jiva, when he's serving the Bhagwan, the scriptures say that by karma and by gyan, you don't get bhakti. So where is this? I put it here.
It's freezing.
But here it's okay. It's Bhagwan is Anushur, is in. Here is Bhagwan, he said. Aitu means unconditional. Unconditional bhakti. That makes Bhagwan happy. Bhagwan is pleased with Aitukti bhakti. Many people are doing bhakti, but it's Sakam bhakti. When one is Niskam bhakti. Sakami bhakta, externally they are doing bhakti, but then they want to, they go to Bhagwan and say, give. Janand. But give me the son, they give me wealth, give me this, give me that. They offer something to Bhagwan, something very small, Athana, like they give a few rupees to Bhagwan and they ask for crore, millions of rupees. They offer 1 rupee to Bhagwan and then give me millions of dollars, rupees. That is not bhakti, that's Sakami bhakti. Swartha, for your own selfish needs, that is called Sakama bhakti. Hari Bol. And said, Uddhav. He said, Uddhav, there is prem in this sansar. What are they? One is hetu and one is ahetu prem. Hetu means unconditional love, and then it's conditional love. One prem is hetu. There is no reason for prem. It's unconditional love. That is really, truly loving Bhagwan. Even if there is any obstacle in that prem, if there is more obstacles, then what happens to this prem? This prem increases. Actually, the more the obstacles there are in prem, this prem increases even more. There are 3 prems in Braj prem. But no. Pasu Pakshi prem. Vivek Suna prem. It's in Jiva Goswami's Tika, Vivek Suna prem. When Krishna left the Vrindavan, but also the birds and the animals, they were thinking that Krishna is still in Braj. They were thinking that Krishna is coming, he's gone to cow herding and they are coming. So these birds and animals prem is called Vivek Suna Praman. So second is he doesn't go only to one forest of Vrindavan. He goes from one forest and another day he goes to another forest. Sometimes he goes from one forest to the another forest when he's doing cow herding. Then the things, the trees are thinking, Krishna is coming. Vivek Suna. Even when Krishna Braj, because of the Yog Maya's arrangement, Krishna doesn't go only one forest. Like for example, Krishna went Mandir went and then he goes to Talavan. He doesn't go in the same forest every day. In Shastra it says Krishna doesn't go to one forest only for cow herding. He doesn't go only to one forest. In Bhagavad it's written, then one day he's in this forest and the next day he's in another forest. Then Bhauma Lila said, what is Shravan? Trees are what? Trees stay in one place. They cannot move. So trees are waiting. They are eagerly waiting for Krishna to come. They are waiting for Krishna. They are thinking, oh, Krishna is coming. That's why it's called Vivek Suna Krim. Because they have to wait until Krishna comes. Because they are immobile, They're not mobile. And the second is Vishramba Prem. The Sakha is the Prem. It's called Vishramba Prem. Krishna is like sleeping. He's coming now. Sakhas they are waiting. Vishramba Prem. Third Prem is Utkanta, means stimulated Prem. Utkanta Prem has Mother Jashoda or Gopis. And Gopis have this Prem. So Jashoda, the Swami Pad is saying this is like in this Utkanta Prem they want darshan, sakshat darshan. Like they want darshan of Sakshat. That Utkanta. When they have darshan of Krishna, that they have so much Utkanta, like so much eagerness, so much greed. That how this Prem manifests so much. Gopi's Prem is, it's so much Utkanta in Gopi's Prem. When Krishna is doing cow herding, when he in the morning when he leaves to go to cow herding, these gopis get so much utkanta, so much eagerness. Some gopis come out from their house, or some go on the roof of their house to have the Govinda's darshan. Gurudev also spoke about different these kathas. Sometimes there is one newly wedded girl who's come in Ujjwal Nilmani in Hastinapur. From Hastinapur, one girl, she got married, is newly married bride. She's come to Vrindavan, Braj. She has not had darshan of Krishna, but she's heard about Krishna. But when it was in the morning, and the Braj was halla halla, yes, that Krishna now is going cow herding. He's taking his cut. What is the birds and the trees? They got so much utkanta, even the birds, to have darshan of Krishna. Chalo, okay, the trees cannot move, but animals and birds can move. Like they were so eager, they were so much eager to have darshan of Krishna. Wherever the Krishna is moving, all the trees used to climb on as they used to follow Krishna. The birds, sorry, the birds used to follow the Krishna. They're saying, hey Sakhis, look at the birds. This is in Venugate sloka. These birds, they are not ordinary birds. They were great rishis. They've taken Paksi's form, but they are rishis, and they get on the top of the tree. These great rishis, they've got birds' body now, and they get right on the top of the Krishna, or top of the tree, to have darshan of Govinda. When Govinda is, the pakshis the birds are following, like as he's walking, as Krishna is walking, so these birds like fly from one tree to the next tree as Krishna is walking. It's like during the very hot, like in the hot weather, it's very hot, the body is very hot. To cool Krishna's body, the clouds, what did the clouds do? Clouds used to cover the sun, so shade. So like we cover ourselves, we put so that the direct sun doesn't follow us. We have a cover, we cover it with a cloth. So the clouds are like that. Clouds used to cover this hot sun. So what are badals? Even clouds are transcendental. Even the dhuli, even the dust, everything from dust to trees, everything is transcendental. Even they have got so much eagerness. They want to serve Krishna. They want to serve Govinda. They also have so much utkanta to have a darshan. So the cloud becomes like an umbrella. Even the cloud's heart is so much in ecstasy. So small, like in shower, it starts raining. He showers, and so and he cools the body of cows, cools the body of sakhas, and cools the body of Krishna. So romanch, lightning. What is that? Romanch, he's like the cloud is the cloud is also in romanch, like he's showering with rain. Wherever Krishna is walking, this cloud is also following. What is the cloud? Like he's just as Krishna is walking, so is this cloud just giving the shade. Yeah. When we look at the badal, there is, when we look at the clouds, slowly they are moving. Like even the badal, just as the wind is moving, the clouds also moving. So this is so. This cloud is not going in any direction. The cloud is just following Krishna. Just as Krishna is moving, simultaneously the cloud is like an umbrella is also moving. Like a guru, when the guru is walking, the shishya, the disciples are following, walking. They are following. They don't walk in front of Guru. The disciples walk behind Guru. That's how the Vrindavan. Also, that's how the prem is in Vrindavan. There is also respect. It's not like, oh yes, there's prem. Even there is, respect. Where there is Mahabhav, Rudabhav. In that,
विकार का
That is different. That is different.
प्रेम को जिस प्रकार उदाहरण देते हैं
The
महासमुद्र
Mahasamudra, like there's a big ocean, the waves are coming.
ऐसी ऊंची-ऊंची लहरें
The
आती
high
हैं।
waves,
आप
the high waves
समुद्र के तट पर खड़े हो
in the
जाइए,
ocean.
आप जैसे लगेगा
If you are standing by the beach, by the bank of the ocean, then you will see that how big these huge these waves are coming. But then what happens to these waves? Yes, they come really high waves, but then as they come near the bank, they go lower slowly down, and then they go back into the ocean. Like when it's a tufan, storm or a hurricane or tsunami. It's like tsunami. That doesn't happen all the time. Sometimes it happens when these big waves come and destroy everything. Because this prem in Vrindavan is in this Venugit, what is it? All the trees, the lata, the creepers, the birds, the animals. This Vivek Suna Prem. Saka, the Prem that Saka is called Vishrama Prem. And the Gopis Prem, the Prem the Gopis have called is Utkanta Prem. What is it? Our Jiva Goswami is saying, what is this Utkanta Prem? Bhava Bhavane Vira, like. What is the speciality of Prem is Milan and Viraha. Milan, meeting and separation. The more there is separation, like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has given us that siksha. The vira, the separation that we have in the prem, that Mahaprabhu is in Gambhira, he's having this separation mode in Gambhira with Rai Ramananda and Swarup Damodar. Our people. Vira, actually when he's in Mahabhav, in that separation mode, Mahabhav, that actually like that separation, because of separation there's eagerness in meeting, like in the snake. There's a money, this stone, like in the. Sorry, I didn't understand the example of that snake. We can have many examples about this. Like you are blind, and then you give example about an elephant. Then what point is that? There is no point. So sap has money. I think money means some jewel. The money. Yeah, he has money like some jewel, and then he puts in the middle, and then he's sleeping around. Like then he puts that money on his head. Then how big illumination happens? The head of the snake, the money that's on the head of the snake is like. That is an example of viraha. Milan. The Vipralambha is like Govinda is like Govinda was dancing on the how many hoods of a snake. So it's viraha. There's many types of viraha. There's many types of viraha. There's bhava viraha and bhavana viraha. Also, there are many different types of viraha, separation. In Srimad Bhagavatam it says, It's mentioned
जैसे अक्रूर
that like Akrur, there are many.
बलराम के लिए
When Akrur came with Balaram to collect to pick to collect Balaram and Krishna, that tomorrow, then Nandaji is saying that tomorrow Krishna will, Balaram will go with Akrur to Mathura. Just like listening to that much, that spread like a fire, like in Vrindavan. Like if there is a fire and the air that's blowing, the wind will take that fire everywhere. In Australia, there are so huge trees. Like in the hot weather, the trees like rub, and the fire comes because it's so hot, and the dry trees are rubbing, and the wind is so fast. This fire spreads. The sikha, the head, within few seconds, the fire has spread around the whole forest. Many people come. The firemen, the rescue people come. The fire, they couldn't even stop the fire spreading. But and the fire also spreads to where the houses and everything. It burns them. Many people die. What I'm trying to say is, when at night, at 12 o'clock, he announced that tomorrow Krishna and Balaram, they are going to Mathura with Akrur. Just listening that much, the Braj Gopis' heart, separation already. They were feeling separation already. Still Krishna is in Vrindavan, but he is going to leave tomorrow. This long. These Vraj Gopis, in their own youth, the youth in the groups, Radhari's group, there is Chandravali's group, in their own group, and they are in their own group, and they are singing the slokas. That is called Bhavi Vira, because Krishna is Bhavi Viraha, then Bhavana Vira. Bhavi Vira and Bhavana Vira chalte. Like Bhavini Vira is when Krishna and Balaram are sitting on the rath and the chariot is moving. And that separation, that's the second separation, that is called, and then Bhavana Vira. They have left. And they have left. Like Krishna and Balaram in Akrur's chariot, they have left. That is called Bhavana Viraha. The Tika is saying Akrur is cruel. Cruel. You know, Akrur means cruel. That how cruel he is. That he is taken Krishna and Balaram. Actually, he is not cruel. But that is the mood, that's the bhavana. But what Akrur did, when he started to move, and the chariot, and the gopis were blocking the chariot to move, and the Akrur is like kind of going around them and move. So they say, Tikas are saying that Akrur is so cruel that he is moving his chariot and on the Gopi's heart. That's why they're saying, hey, Akrur, you are not cruel. You're not Akrur, you are cruel. Then it's Bhavi Bhavana Bhava Mira, that he's left. Then he's left, that separation is. What was the last one? What was the last Bhavi Vira when Krishna's left? Bhavi, na? Yes, the last one is Bhavi Vira. When Krishna is actually left Vrindavan. see, I think it's going to go for husband. Haribol, do you want to translate this? Is that okay? If you get stuck, you can give it to me.
Okay.
Sri Gurave Sri Gaurachandraya Saparikari Yugal Kisuraya Cha Brajadhamaya Purusattam Chitraya Radhavanaya Cha Namo Namaha Vrindaya Tulasi Devai Priyaya Kesavasya Cha Krishna Bhakti Pradaya Devi Sattvatai Namo Namaha. Ek saath. Hare
Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare
Hare. मैं सबसे पहले
First of all,
अस्मदीय परमाराध्य गुरु
I'll offer my obeisance to
ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस स्वामी अष्टोत्तर शतक श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत श्री रामानंद गोस्वामी महाराज ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस स्वामी अष्टोत्तर शतक श्री श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत श्री नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज सपरिकर प्रभुपाद सरस्वती ठाकुर एवं समस्त गुरुवर्ग के श्रीचरणों में अनंत कोटि साष्टांग
I offer my obeisance to all the present Vaishnavas.
तदनंतर श्रीपादगण उपस्थित वैष्णव एवं वैष्णवियों को यथायोग्य प्रणाम एवं सादर अभिनंदन। हमारे ये तीर्थमार्ग चले गए जगत छोड़ के 17 जुलाई को।
Our Param Mitra Tirtha Maharaj has left his body on 17th of July.
मैं कोशिश करूंगा बीच में आने का। ये नहीं हो सकेगी होली के बाद ही आऊंगा।
So Srila Gurudev will be leaving for the preaching and he might try to come by Holi. One Maharaj has said to kindly say something about Gurudev. Krishna became the popular in this universe. How did Krishna become the popular in Braj? By robbing of Makan, the buttermilk. Few days ago, the Maharaj has given the lecture that he robs the clothes. He also robs the birth and death. I offer my obeisance to such a God. The qualities of Krishna is that it is in the devotee of the Krishna. There might be a question arise that the qualities of the Krishna does not arise in everyone. Only to those the qualities are accommodated into the parikars. How it is, let us see. See, Krishna is a robber. So does the Gurudev is also a robber? There are so many avatars. In that all avatars, night fortnight he appeared, Krishna. Even Nityananda Prabhu also appeared in the fortnight. Lord Ram also appeared on the fortnight. Only Krishna, he appeared on Ashtami. And Gurudev, he appeared on Moni Amavasya, which is one of the darkest nights of the year, which is the Abhibar Divas of Gurudev. So what does Gurudev say? That Krishna robs the buttermilk, Gurudev robs heart.
गुरुदेव जब प्रचार शुरू किया 1996
When Gurudev started the prachar in 1966
हॉलैंड में लैंड किया,
in Holland,
जहाँ जहाँ भी गए,
wherever he went,
आप लोगों का पैसा नहीं चाहिए,
he said, I don't want your money,
आप लोग का हृदय चाहिए।
I want your heart.
मैं आपका हृदय लेकर के
I will take your heart,
संस्कृत परिवार जी संशोधित करके
I will amend it
गुरु जी के हाथ में
and give it to my Gurudev
के माध्यम से
by the Guru Paramparas, Gaur Nityanand Prabhu and Jugal Kishore's lotus feet. This is my work.
जब भी गुरु जी जाते,
Wherever he goes,
इतनी फुट करते होते।
people used to cry in separation.
अब बताइए, एक मक्खन का कीमत
Now tell us, what is the price of a buttermilk or the price of the heart is more? So Krishna robs buttermilk, but whereas Gurudev robs heart, he steals the heart.
कृष्ण कपड़ा चुराते हैं,
And Krishna robs the clothes.
चरण में
And in his lotus feet,
19 चरण चिन्ह
he has a symbols on the lotus feet. One of it's Vajra.
करने पर कृष्ण क्या कर उनको पर्वत रूपी पाप राशि को ध्वंस कर देते हैं। हम चाहे न चाहे,
We want or we don't want, we do the paps, sins.
करता ही नहीं। गोड़वन कैसे थोड़ी पाप करता हूँ। जो लोग शिष्य नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो लोग
Those who are not the disciples, they eat non-vegetarian foods. But you do or you don't eat, you do some pap.
दिमाग खराब उनको आगरा में एडमिट करना है।
If your mind gets upset, you will be admitted in Agra hospital, which is famous as a mental hospital.
मैं तो जानबूझ के पाप करता हूँ।
I do sin.
और आप लोग यदि मेरे समान होंगे, दो हाथ दो पैर वाले,
So if you are like me of 2 hands and 2 legs, then how can you
हम
do this?
चाहे न चाहे,
If we
निश्वास लेने के लिए बाध्य हैं।
if we want or we don't want, but we have to breathe. We have to breathe in and out.
तो बैक्टीरिया को मार,
Then also we do a pap by taking the so much of breath, and in that breath there are lack of bacteria. So it is also one type of a sin.
बैक्टीरिया तो भी पाप है। इसलिए प्रतिदिन कृष्ण चरण चिन्ह का स्मरण करने
We
पर
also take
पाप
medicine.
दूर
In
हो
medicines also there are
जाएगा।
alcohols.
क्या करते हैं? पाप को
That is also one type of a sin.
और गुरुदेव क्या करते हैं?
So what does the Gurudev does?
जाते हैं।
Gurudev steals the anartha.
अनर्थ अधिक डेंजरस है कि पाप डेंजरस है?
Which is most dangerous? Anartha is dangerous or papa is dangerous? Pap you can do the prashchit, but anartha is more dangerous. So Srila Gurudev steals anartha, which is more dangerous than papa.
गुरुदेव के लिए
For Gurudev, the
कोई
pranam.
उनके अपदार्थ सेवक ने लिखा,
Someone has written for Gurudev. This is written by one of the disciple of a Gurudev for praising him.
क्या बताया?
What he says,
कृष्ण ब्रज में प्रसिद्ध है मक्खन चोर।
that Krishna is popular in Braj, but whereas Gurudev is popular, he is a stealer of the heart in the whole world, whole universe.
विश्व प्रसिद्ध हृदय चौरम पदाश्रितानंद चरणर्थ चौरम, जो गुरु जी के पाद पद्म के आश्रय लेते हैं,
Whoever takes the shelter of the surrenders or take the lotus feet of Srila Gurudev, he takes his all anarthas and make him to do the service of Lord Krishna.
कोई सेवक होगा माधव, उनका क्या किया? उनका मन चुराया, हृदय चुराया, अंतर सबको चुराया। सेवक माधव से समस्त चौरम चौराब्द गणम आचार्यम नमामि। ऐसे
So I offer my obeisance to Gurudev, that I offers my obeisance to Srila Gurudev, Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj, who steals the anartha. Hare Krishna.
अब आता हूँ, विजय मुझे प्रश्न पूछा था।
Vijay has asked one
ये
question.
प्रश्न के बाद परमानेंट उत्तर दे दिया कि पूछा नहीं था? बोलो प्रश्न बोलो।
What is your question, Vijay? Vijay's question is,
कृष्णा ब्रज छोड़ के एक कदम भी बाहर नहीं जाएगा, फिर राधा रानी का विरह क्यों हो रहा है वहाँ पे?
if Krishna does not steps one
और दो प्रश्न पूछा था।
और दूसरा, इसका मतलब क्या ये है जो कृष्णा ब्रज छोड़ के बाहर जा रहे हैं, उनका मन में हमेशा ब्रज का चिंतन कर रहे हैं?
there were the two questions. The one question was, if Krishna does not leave out of
ये बताया
Braj, then why he feels separation?
ब्रज छोड़ के नहीं जाते। तब मुझे क्या सबसे वंश से ब्रज में रहते हैं?
So does he
क्या ब्रज
always
छोड़
be?
के नहीं जाते?
तो राधा जी विरह कैसे है? जो सामंजस्य है, मुझे दोपहर को प्रश्न पूछा था।
This is the question which he has raised in the afternoon. So Gurudev said to ask in the evening class. Now Gurudev will be giving the answer.
देखो, अब इसका उत्तर दे रहे हैं।
The answer is,
हमारे शास्त्र में इसका उत्तर दिया गया
the
है।
Shastra gives the answer.
श्लोक तो मैंने लिख के रखा नहीं, बता देता हूँ।
I don't have written the slok, but I will give you the answer.
ये आपको मिलेगा
You will get it in
हेमचंद्र पद्धति ग्रंथ में। सदाशिव एवं नारद के वार्तालाप।
There is a narration between Sadashiva and Narada. In that you will get the answer.
नारद पूछे सदाशिव से,
Narad is asking Sadashiva, Hey Prabhu,
कृष्ण जब मथुरा गमन किया,
when the Krishna destroys the Mathura, the king of the Mathura,
कृष्ण ब्रज में नहीं जाते हैं, मथुरेश या द्वारकेश जाते हैं। अगर कृष्ण ब्रज छोड़ के नहीं जाते,
if Krishna does not leave the Braja,
विश्वभानुपति की विरह कैसे संभव?
so how does the Radharani gets the Viraha, the separation feeling, Radharani? This is the question. So the Sadashiv gives the answer.
कृष्ण के जैसे तीन स्वरूप हैं।
Krishna has three swarups.
एक
Form.
ब्रजनंदन,
One Brajanandan, Sham Sundar,
दूसरे
second
मथुरानाथ,
Mathuranath,
तीसरे द्वारकानाथ।
तीसरे Dwarkanath, third is the Dwarkanath.
राधा जी का तीन स्वरूप है।
Radharani also has three forms: Sangyoni,
वियोगिनी,
Viyogini,
विश्वभानुनंदिनी।
Vishbhanu Nandani.
जो ब्रज में सब समय जब कृष्ण ब्रज में थे, जब
Whenever the Krishna was always in the Braj, then Radharani was as a Vishbhanu Nandani.
जो कृष्ण जब द्वारकाधीश कृष्ण
So when the Krishna was in Dwarkanath,
सूर्य पराग में नंद बाबा को आने का निमंत्रण दिया था,
when Nanda Baba he gave the invitation to Nanda Baba,
जो ब्रज गोपियां ब्रजवासी लोग गए थे, जो ब्रज गोपियां थी,
those who were the Braj gopis went,
वो कामा कामा या संजोगिनी,
she was Sangyojini,
और जो
and
उद्धव क्यारी में
in Uddhav Kari,
विलाप कर रही है,
Vilap,
वो क्या है?
that is
वामा।
separation, that is Vama.
तीन स्वरूप।
The
एक है
Radharani has three swarups.
विश्वभानुनंदिनी,
One is the Vishbhanu Nandani,
एक कामा जो गई थी,
one Kama
और एक
which was
वामा जो
gone,
विलाप कर रही है।
and one Vama which is
दूसरी तरफ
Vilaping.
से कहा गया विश्वभानुनंदिनी,
So Vishbhanu
और कामा
Nandani,
को और एक नाम है संजोगिनी।
Kama has
जो
one more
संजोगिनी
one
गई
name
थी।
is Sanjogini.
और वियोगिनी जो बाबा उद्धव प्यारी में
So
है।
another one is the third one is Viyogini.
अब इसमें दिखा गए हैं टीकाकारों ने,
In the purport it is written that
कि राधा जी जानती है
Radharani knows
नंदनंदन कभी वृंदावन तक कहीं जाते नहीं।
that Krishna does not leave Vrindavan anytime.
ऐसी विश्वभानुनंदिनी भी
In such way, Vishbhanu Nandani,
वृंदावन छोड़ के
she ne-
वृंदावन छोड़ कहीं नहीं जाती।
she never leaves the Braj.
वृंदावन
She
में
always resides in Braja.
कृष्ण जैसे ब्रज वो भी
As Krishna lives in Braja, Srimati Radharani also lives Braja.
हम आँख से उछल रहते हैं।
But we cannot see from our material
दूसरी तरफ
eyes.
से दिखा रहे हैं मेरा प्राणनाथ नंदनंदन वृंदावन तक कहीं जाते नहीं।
He says that my Prannath, that my Nandanandan does not go anywhere. He does not leave the
या
Braja.
संजोगिनी वियोगिनी नहीं जानती।
The Sanjogini does not know the Vyogini.
विश्वभानु ब्रजनंदन श्याम सुंदर
That Brajananda Sham Sundar does not know.
know.
Only Vishbhanu Nandani knows that Sham Sundar does not leave the Braja. For example,
सदाशिव जी
Sadashiv gives an example.
रास में अंतर्धान जब कृष्ण हुए थे,
When Krishna disappeared in
इसलिए
Rasa,
कृष्ण सब गोपी से कहे देखो
then Krishna said to all
मैं
Gopiyas,
सबसे
see
नहीं प्यार करता
that I
हूँ।
love you more than.
अलग-अलग रूप में सबके सामने नहीं तो कौन खुल जाएगा।
He says that I love
अब गोपी क्या है?
secretly, but I love you
राधे गोपियाँ
more.
को
He used to
बलिदान
say
दें।
with all the
तो
gopis.
सबके साथ श्री कृष्ण मुझे भी प्यार करते
And
हैं।
every gopi understands that Krishna loves more to me.
कृष्ण इतने ही तेजी से नृत्य कर रहे हैं।
So when there was a Ras, Krishna was dancing so speedily that
दक्षता इतनी तेजी से
in such a speed that
तो गोपियाँ क्या हुआ देखा मेरे साथ नृत्य कर रहे हैं।
then gopis see that Krishna is dancing with
आनंद हुआ,
me.
सौभाग्य
They got the
हुआ,
ananda,
आशीर्वाद
they got
करके
the bliss.
जगत में तो सौभाग्यवती नहीं है।
It cannot be described.
पर एक दूसरे गोपी को नहीं समझ सकते, दूसरे के पास भी नृत्य करके नहीं समझ सकते।
But one gopi does not understand that the Krishna is also the Krishna is also dancing with other gopis in the same.
प्रतारक, अंदर काला बाहर काला,
Radharani says that you were black, inside also black and outside also black. The way you act like me, you also act like in the same way to others. So what is the difference between them and me? So she gets disappeared from the rasa. So Krishna was after the disappearance of the Nandananda from the rasa, after